viewers, hope you guys are having a good day. As you can see behind me, the Nissan Pathfinder is fixed. I got it back from the body shop. Here's a look at the front end. The total repair bill was $2,400. So this is a new bumper they replaced. And they also replaced this fender right here. Behind the bumper on this driver's side, there's also a transmission cooler, and that was damaged, so they had to replace that. Now the reason for making this video is not just to talk about the car, but instead I have a giveaway for a dash cam. Now if you follow my channel, I recently did a review of the ABOX Trekpow dash cam. That's the one with the rotating front camera. If you have not seen that video, let me show you that dash cam right now. Here's a look at this Trekpow dash cam. As you can see, it's very slim. On the back, there is a 2-inch color LCD display. The camera swings 180 degrees. Now this dash cam records in full HD, 1080p. It's a very nice dash cam. If you have not seen the review video, I will link it at the end of this video. Now the company ABOX has agreed to provide 2 of these dash cams for this giveaway. Now to enter this giveaway is very simple. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. But I do want to mention this giveaway is only offered to people in Canada and US. This giveaway will begin starting tonight once the video goes live, and then it'll end next Friday, August 17th at 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. For all the people that leave a comment below, I will do a random drawing for the winner. Now I've listed all the rules for this giveaway in the description below, so take a look at that first. And good luck to all of you guys out there, and have a great day. Later.